Welcome to another MSP 360 Tech Bites. Today we're talking about strategies for MSPs to handle late payments and protect cash flow. Now, obviously, if you have an occasional late payment, there's a low impact to your business. But if you had frequent occurrences within your business, of course, that becomes material and can actually have some serious implications on your business. Things like cash flow issues, operational disruptions, even difficulties in scaling your business. And so it becomes really important to have an understanding of how to prevent late payments. So in today's MSP 360 Tech Bite, we want to talk about 3 strategies to help you actually avoid late payments altogether and therefore protect cash flow. The first one is to create payment terms and definitions. What you want to do is you want to establish payment terms for your business and communicate that with your clients. It has to do with when and how a customer is supposed to pay you and what happens if they don't pay on time. Now you want to share payment definitions with your customers and help them understand what your billing process looks like. And the idea here is just that you're leaving no gray areas so that customers don't take advantage of that process and they fully understand what the expectation is when they sign up with you as a business. You should, of course, address your customers' concerns and questions, help them better understand terms and definitions as well. And when you speak to a customer about billing, you make sure that you document the conversation. And this way you have some proof that confirms that the customer actually does understand the billing process and there's no uncertainty there. The second strategy is to send billing reminders and warnings. Now, when you want to first send a reminder when the bill is coming due. It's a friendly reminder of the due date, along with the options that they have for billing. And actually, it's really important that you give multiple options to pay the bill, not just one way. And that way, a customer has a lot of flexibility in how they want to pay. In case maybe they're having cash flow issues, they can put it on a credit card, or they can pay you directly through banking, through an ACH transfer. Now, if a customer ends up being late, you want to have a communication where you let them know. You remind them of the now past due date, and again, share the methods of payment so they can pay their balance. And you also have to explain the late fees as well as any other penalties in that same communication. You also want to follow up with customers. Phone calls, emails, letters, and other communication methods should all be used to make sure that you're trying to collect the balance that's due. And if, of course, they still don't pay the balance, you may have to get a collection agency involved to help collect whatever is left that they owe you. The third and final strategy is to avoid late payments in the first place. So you should offer automatic billing. Think about letting the customer add on a bank account or a credit or debit card, and they can pay their bill on the same date each month, and even maybe provide them some flexible billing in terms of what date of the month they'd like to pay. So the 27th of the month, the 1st of the month, whatever works for them. You might also want to think about rewarding customers, like giving a discount to customers if they set up recurring billing. That way you incentivize on-time payments and it makes the customer more likely to pay. Also get customer feedback regarding the billing process. You want to make sure, of course, it's simple and streamlined and it's very easy for them to use. Things like surveys, questionnaires, or just even having a conversation with the customer is kind of important so that you can find ways to improve the billing process as well. The goal overall for all 3 of these strategies is just to be proactive with your company's billing by communicating before the due date, offering many ways for them to pay the bill, and then setting up automatic billing. And by minimizing these fluctuations in cash flow using these strategies, you also can maintain a positive relationship with your client. So thanks for watching.